सो आई गाइस आज हामी चाहिँ प्रोजेक्टको काम गर्ने भनेर बसेको थियौँ तर प्रोजेक्ट गर्दा गर्दा बोरिङ भयो अनि वी डिसाइडेड टु प्ले अ गेम सिम्पल क्वेसन्स र हु इज मोस्ट लाइकली टु टाइपको हुन्छ नि त्यस्तो क्वेसनहरू गर्छौँ र एकअर्कालाई पोइन्ट गर्छौँ इट्स गना बी फन किप वाचिङ हु इज मोस्ट लाइकली टु बिकम अ टिकटक स्टार हु इज मोस्ट लाइकली टु फर्गेट देयर ओन बर्थडे मलाई सबैको बर्थडे याद हुन्छ Who is most likely to become a meme? Who is most likely to laugh at the wrong moment?
हाम्रो प्रेजेन्टेसनको बेलामा अगाडि गएर हाँस्ने उषा हो फाइनल प्रेजेन्टेसन
Who is most likely to crash a random wedding? Who is most likely to write a love letter in the 21st century?
म छु यार त्यो त म लेख्छु म लेख्छु
मलाई चाहिँ लेख्दै हुन्थ्यो उनीहरूले लेख्छन् मैले चाहिँ पाएँ Who is most likely to spill all the tea in the group chat?
मतलब सबै
सबै
भन्ने
Who is most likely to ghost the group for a week? Week? Months? Who is most likely to organize a surprise party for a friend?
कोही छैन अहिलेसम्म एउटा पार्टी थाहा छैन मैले अहिले चाहिँ एउटा
Surprise gift. Who is most likely to be the peacemaker in the group? Who is most likely to start a random argument for fun? Who is most likely to move to another country without telling anyone? Who is most likely to have the most kids? Who is most likely to be the cool aunt or uncle? Who is most likely to fall in love with a fictional character? Wait, Mom! Who is most likely to adopt a wild animal as a pet? Who is most likely to randomly book a flight and leave the next day?
गाडीको टिकट काटेर जाने पैसा छैन त्यसको बुक फ्लाइट
Who is most likely to dance in public without any music? I have done that! Yes, I have done that.
जुन पैसाको बुक फ्लाइट भन्ने आजसम्म गाडीको टिकट किन्ने पैसा भन्नु पर्छ परिस्थितिमा बुक फ्लाइट भन्ने तारेको अघि मैले पिटिङ गरेको इन्डियामा लागेको बाटो कुमेलामा जाने भन्नु गाडीको बजार किन्ने जाने सोचेको त्यो पनि सोचमा मात्रै हुन्छ हामी बुवा प्लान पनि गरिसक्यो पुगेर पनि आइसक्यो तर हाम्रो सोचमा त्यो बेला राम्रो थोरै सर बसेको हामी चार वर्ष हामी अब 4 वर्ष बसेको आसम जान्छ फेरि सुकुटी जान्छ त्यो पनि आफ्नै किताब नमिलेको अवस्थामा झगडा पर्ने परिस्थिति आउँछ झगडा परिसकेको अब हजुरको क्वेसन छ बुक अफ लाइफ वाउ
Who is most likely to eat something off the floor?
You
Who is most likely to get a weird tattoo they'll regret? Is most likely to adopt 10 cats and call them their babies? Is most likely to accidentally sleep through an entire day?
entirely you कुम्भकर्ण नंबर 2 वर्जन नंबर 2
राशि में कुंभ था. Who is most likely to trip over nothing?
ट्रिप ओभर नथिङ भन्नाले
खुट्टा उसले खुट्टा भाँचिसकेछ. Most likely to cancel plans at the last moment. Who is most likely to accidentally start a fire in the kitchen?
यो यसलाई के पनि कामै गर्न आउँछ
I don't go to the kitchen. Oh yeah, म त पड्काइदिन्छु. So moving on to the more flirty kind of questions. Who is most likely to flirt with a waiter/waitress?
फ्लर्ट गर्छ उसा फ्लर्ट स्किल त हाल्छ
Who is
तर
most
खै एउटा
likely?
पट्याएन जस्तो मलाई थाहा
ढिला आउँछ पढा आउँछ. Is most likely to write a love poem for someone? Yeah, I write poems. Who is most likely to steal someone's hoodie and never give it back? स्वस्तिकाले मेरो कपडा दिनु बाँकी छ एउटा स्कर्ट.
मैले दुवैजनाको कपडा दिन बाँकी छ मैले त्यो मायाको चिन्हको रूपमा राखेको छु
Who is most likely to accidentally call someone babe without realizing it? Who is most likely to start a new hobby and quit after a week? Most likely to keep a secret for life? Who is most likely to try every food at least once? Fucking yeah, foodie. Who is most likely to dance in the rain? Who is most likely to pull off a crazy prank? Who is most likely to have the messiest room? Who is most likely to win a talent show?
मस्त आहे.
Who is most likely to cry during a heartfelt commercial? Sartika. Who is most likely to get lost even with GPS? Who is most likely to accidentally become the group therapist? Me. Who is most likely to say yes to something without thinking it through? Who is most likely to have a bucket list a mile long?
कति धेरै सपनाहरू छन् जुन यिनीहरूसँग पनि पुरा हुनेवाला छैन.
Who is most likely to write a book someday? Who is most likely to tell the funniest jokes in the group? Who is most likely to have the most random playlists?
उसको हनमा 40 हुन्छ.
Who is most likely to be a perfectionist? म त काट्छु. Who is most likely to give the best advice?
यदि जिन्दगीमा कुनै समस्या छ भने राम्रो राम्रो सूचना के भन्छ
सुझाव.
राम्रो राम्रो सुझाव चाहिएको छ भने कृपया उषा चालिसेलाई सम्पर्क गर्नुहोला. धन्यवाद.